morning, friends. How are you today? Glad you could join us again. Hey, we're still talking about different weathers and how the weather changes and how the seasons change. I found another song that I think you'll remember. Let's try this one. Remember this one?
Summertime, hot and hazy, loose and lazy. Summertime, lying on the ground. Everything is green, it's growing. Everybody's lawn needs mowing. Whoops, a leaf comes tumbling down. Mother Earth's about to change her gown. She loves to change her seasons. It's Mother Earth's routine. Green to brown, brown to white, white back into green. She changes clothes and puts on something clean. Autumn time, days get cool, it's back to school. It's autumn time, the world turns golden brown. Birds are starting their migration, flying southward on vacation. Whoops, a snowflake hits your nose. Mother Earth's about to change her clothes. She loves to change her seasons. It's Mother Earth's routine. Green to brown, brown to white, white back into green. She changes clothes and puts on something clean. Winter time, it's skates and sleds and feather beds. It's winter time, snow is all around. Frosty noses, ears a throb, and then one day, hey look, a robin pulls a worm out of the ground. Mother Earth's about to change her gown, and she has reasons for changing seasons. You have to change to grow. You have to change to grow. And so she changes seasons. It's Mother Earth's routine. Green to brown, brown to white, white back into green. She changes clothes and puts on something clean.
Did you remember that one? Yeah, we sang that one before in our class, didn't we? Yeah. Well, let's sing our welcome song so we can say hello, okay? You ready? Hello and how are you? Hello and how are you? Hello and how are you? How are you today? I am fine and I hope you are too. I am fine and I hope you are too. I am fine and I hope you are too. I am fine today. Or smile at me and wave hello. Smile at me and wave hello. Smile at me and wave hello. Wave hello today. Hola, ¿y cómo estás? Hola, ¿y cómo estás? Hola, ¿y cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás hoy día? Yo estoy bien, ¿y cómo estás tú? Yo estoy bien, ¿y cómo estás tú? Yo estoy bien, ¿y cómo estás tú? ¿Cómo estás hoy día? Hey, I'm glad everybody could join us today. For practical life today, it asked you to make something. Maybe you already have these at your house, and maybe you can make them. I didn't have any lacing cards, so I made some. All I needed was a piece of cardboard and an old shoelace. Pretty easy, huh? I made this one kind of look like a cloud, sort of. And we have lots of old shoelaces laying around our house. And what I did was I cut out the shape. You can color and decorate it if you want. And then all I did was take a something sharp. I used a screw. But you could use a nail. You could have your mom and dad help you with a nail, or even the end of a scissors to make holes in my car. Do you see the holes all the way around? And then you could take a shoelace. You don't have a shoelace, you could use a piece of yarn and put a little piece of tape on the end so it has a nice end on it. And then you can go down and then back up, and then back down. That's just like you're sewing, isn't it? All the way around. See the pattern that it makes? Both sides. It's fun, isn't it? I made a different one too. This one, I put all the holes going straight down. I thought this would be fun because then you could practice lacing on your shoes. Yeah, because sometimes your shoelaces come all undone and then you have to put them back. And this one you cross. So this one's on this side. I'm going to cross over to this side and put it down. Oops, woo. And then I'm going to take this one over here on this side and I'm going to put it down on the opposite side. Let's see what kind of a pattern it makes. It makes an X. And then I can go up on this side and then I'm going to cross over. And then I can go on this side, and then I'm going to cross it over, and then I'm going to go on this side, and take my other one, and come over here. Look at that. It's just like on my shoes, isn't it? Look at the back. I made a different pattern. Cool, huh? And then you could practice doing some more tying. Remember how we do this? Cross, pull, make a bow. I had some people do 2 bows and then tie those bows together. But I like to go make one bow, go around the back, through the hole, and pull. And look, I tied my lacing card. Pretty cool, huh? So try making one of those at home today. That would be fun. What else have we got today? Oh, I saw all your pictures of your superheroes. Those were fun, huh? And today is What Are You Reading Wednesday. So you could take a picture of your favorite book or a book that you happen to be reading right now. Mrs. Boyd reads a lot of books. I read a lot of books for you guys. And I get ready to read books to you guys, so I do a lot of reading that's your age. But did you know I read for myself too? I read books that I like for me. And right now I don't have a ton of time to read, but I've been reading a little bit at a time. One of the books, here's some of them that I really like. This one I really like. It's a big, thick book, but it's really cool because it's got lots of little short stories in it. So I can read a little short story and then I can put it down. I've gotten about halfway through. I keep my marker in there. That one's a fun one. I read a lot of different kinds of books. I read books that are adventure books because the author wrote them to entertain us. And I read a lot of books that tell me about people, and I like to learn about people and what they did and how they helped others. So I just got this one. This one's about Maria Montessori. I just got this one for my birthday, so I can't wait to get started on that one. This one's like an adventure book, Aeronauts. I think he goes up in the sky in like a ship. That's a big one. I haven't started it yet. So I'm going to read that one maybe. And this one is all about women and how they helped people in history. Lots of different strong, very, very, very smart people who helped each other. So I can't wait to... I've read 2 or 3 of the different people, but this is another one I can pick up and I can read about one person and then I can put it down, and then it's not like I've lost any story time. I just pick up a different person and I read about a new person. So those are the kind of books I like to read. So pick out a book that you like to read and take a picture of yourself. If you look at mine, mine's going to be coming up. Even my pets got into reading too. That's pretty funny. So check mine out, okay? Let's do our flag, okay? Can you stand up and join me? All right. Take that right hand and put it over your heart and say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And let's get our earth flag. Put that hand back over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the earth and all the life that it supports, one planet in our care, irreplaceable, with sustenance and respect for all. Nice. All right. Shall we check our weather? Let's see. It was kind of chilly yesterday. Hopefully it'll be a little bit warmer today. It was sunny though yesterday. A little bit warmer. My other app told me it would be 50, so this one says 48. So he says partly cloudy and 48 today. So maybe somewhere between 48 and 50. That would be okay. Still going to need a jacket though outside. Still a little chilly out. Let's get to our calendar. You ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. Hoy es miércoles. Hoy es miércoles. Today is Wednesday, miércoles. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Let's see. How about we count these numbers up? Shall we try counting all the way up to today? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What comes next? 15. Yeah. We did it. We made it to 15. Oh, you know what that means. Yep. It's a money day. Let's see. Yesterday was a 14, and then we added something, and then it became a 15. How many did we add? It's kind of like a number line, isn't it? Here's our line of numbers, and we're here, and we go one more. It makes a 15, so we added 1. 14 plus one more, it's the number that comes after 14, is 15. And how do we make a 15? It tells us, and here's our place value, units, 10 bars. How many 10 bars do we have? 1 10 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 10 bar. And how many are in the units place? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I call it a money day because 1 10 bar, we have a money that makes exactly 1 10 bar. What is that? Yeah, it's the dime. The dime makes a 10 bar. And we have a coin that makes 5 cents. What coin is that? Yeah, it's the nickel. The nickel makes 5 cents. So we have 1 10 bar, the dime, and 5 units, the nickel. Yeah, forgot to put this up. There we go. All right. Oh, let's read our poem. Yeah, you have that in your packet, don't you? Money, money, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. And quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I'm told. Yeah. So today's a money day. We got 1 10 bar and 5 units. Today is a money day. No, it's Wednesday. Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. That just fits. Perfect. All right. All right, did we find out, is 15 an odd number or an even number? We have to count by 2s, don't we? To 5. Let's see if we land on that unit 5. 2, 4, 6. We jumped right over a 5. We didn't land on that 5, so it is not even. But it does end in a 5. So you know what we can do. We can count by 5s. Are you ready? Let's try to count by 5s all the way to 100. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. You did it. Yeah. Nice. All right, let's get to our poems, okay? Let's do Spring Cheer behind me. I love all the seasons, but springtime is the best. Let's put on our raincoats. Now we are all dressed. In the rain we love to play, and this is what we hear. Pitter patter, that's the season's cheer. And in April, ready? In April I will go away to far off Spain or old Bombay and dream about hot soup all day. Oh my, oh once, oh my, oh twice, oh my, oh chicken soup with rice. Yeah. And cleano, cleano our hands, right? Ready? We wash our hands with the scrub, scrub, scrub. We take a bath with a rub, rub, rub. We take a swim with the scrub, scrub, scrub. Or we take a swim with the glub, glub, glub. Sorry. Rub, rub, rub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Glub, glub, glub. Cleano, cleano. Rub, scrub, glub. Woo! Got through it barely. I did it. All right. Oh my goodness. Today our book is, I don't have the book, it's at school. It's called Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. Isn't that a funny sound? Sounds like partly cloudy, doesn't it? Cloudy with a chance of rain, but it's cloudy with a chance of meatballs. It's a pretty silly book about how food comes out of the sky, like our weather, like snow or rain. So that's a pretty silly story. I hope you enjoyed it. There will be, let's see, we have handwriting today, and some people you could write in your Gingy journal today. And we're going to be doing some number line work. Number line's kind of like our calendar, isn't it? It's a big long line, And number lines can help us tell if what comes before and what comes after. They can help us do adding and subtracting. So a number line can be short, or it can be really, really long. It could start at 0, or it could start at 50. It doesn't matter where you start your number line. But it's a long line. It has some numbers on it, so we count. Oh, and a number line doesn't have to count by ones. It could count by 5s. It could count by 10s. Yeah, you could make your number line any way you want, counting by 2s. But it can help us do some addition, subtraction, and it can even help us tell before and after. You could do a game with your number line and say, okay, I'm going to start on number 3, and then I'm going to roll the dice, and the dice says 4. And I have to decide, okay, how many would be 3 plus 4 more? 3 plus 4 more. What would it be? That's a question mark. So if I start on 3, how much would be 4 more? 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be a 7. I figured that out. Well, if I started on 3 plus 4 more, that would be fun. But what would happen if I started on 4 and I took away 3? What if I went backwards? Let's say if I started on 4 and I took 3 away, what would that be? All right, let's try that one. Let's try 4. So here I am on 4. I'm going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. What did I land on? A 1. So you could do your addition forward and backwards. Forward plus backwards is subtract. Pretty cool. Number lines are kind of fun. They can help us do lots of things. Skip counting, addition, subtraction, before and after work. They're kind of fun. It would be nice, hopefully it'll be warm enough you can maybe even try it outside with some sidewalk chalk. Or you could just use pieces of paper on the floor. You don't have to do anything fancy. Or you could just do the ones in the seesaw, okay? All right, keep sending in your wonderful work. I love to see all your hard work. Today's sharing is John and Joey, tag team. And tomorrow is Ezekiel and Mikhail. So hopefully we'll see from all of those friends. And Thursday, tomorrow, it's going to be a special day. 9 o'clock in the morning. Everybody has to wake up and have breakfast and get ready on your computer because we're going to Zoom. I know, it's going to be fun. We're going to try to chat with everybody in our classroom all at the same time. Everybody's going to be on the computer and you're going to click on the meeting. Yep. And then you're going to see everybody on the computer. Okay, it's going to be exciting. So I can't wait to see everybody. Okay, we'll have some fun tomorrow, okay? Can't wait to see everybody tomorrow. We'll see you all tomorrow, hopefully. Cross your fingers, okay? See you later. Bye.